kinda wachako kod weche mag tuke mano kakoro tim mar Kenya mana Harambee Stars othi choko e tuke mag CHAN bang' tim mar Madagascar loyo gi gonde 4-3 kokalo e opich achoma. Tugono norumo modhi gol 1-1 e dakika mar 120.
Gifted too many free kicks to Kenya. Shiri back on his feet, ready to take. He won't go directly a goal. The taller men gather on the edge of that penalty area. Bushiri header! Steered home by Omija! Secure passage to this stage, the quarterfinals. For his second in the tournament, strikes true, and Madagascar are back in it. Another chance to make it 2-1 in the shootout. The man that won the penalty for Madagascar, central defender Tuke. He's got a brilliant left boot. Denied by Omondi! Next up for Kenya is Daniel Sakari, Dante. Strikes the ball crisply and cleanly, usually. Does so again, and Kenya do lead. This needs to go for Kenya. Otherwise, it's Madagascar who advance. The pressure on now. Omija to keep Kenya in the shootout after scoring.